Adventurous couples, grab the keys and unite because I have your twinning coach. Let me show you. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the all-new Winnebago Travato 59K. This extremely well-appointed Class B motor van, which is seated on the Ram ProMaster chassis with that 3.6-liter engine in it, has a rear bath that is pretty awesome, especially if you want to convene with nature. Midship twin beds that can come together for more cuddling space if you need it. Tons of storage and systems galore to help keep you enjoying camping while off the road. What do you say we start right back here in the rear of the 59K? And I got to tell you, it's going to be tough to make me get up because the cushions that are in this bad boy are so comfortable. I don't want to get up, but since I promised I'd show you the bathroom, let's do it. So here we go. And boom, here we are in the back of the Winnebago Travato 59K. The thing that I like about what Winnebago does with their coaches is they think about your convenience along with the style and of course the amenities. Now you'll see that all the cabinetry in your wet bath back here is glazed. It's going to be a whole lot easier to not have that moisture on the wood. So I love that they did that there. Plus, you got adjustable shelves in your ward storage back here. You even have some pull-out drawers. Everything is solid wood, full extension on drawer guides. And you have the teak wood inlay for your shower and bathroom area. High-rise bowl, which is porcelain with the foot flush. And of course, your mirrored medicine cabinet with your shower head and your pull-down sink to complete your wet bath. The thing though that I like about having the rear baths, I have the zippered bug shield, so if I'm not even using the bathroom or the shower, this can be my rear porch, if you will. I can have the breeze without the bugs, or if you are a truly adventurous soul, you can handle business while truly convening with nature. And I have to tell you, I've done it, I'm not ashamed of it, and I loved it. Leave all the comments below that you want. My mama still prays for me daily. But you also do have some privacy thanks to the pull down curtain and of course the solid wood doors. You got your vent and fan right there, and you got an 18, 12, and 13 when it comes on your tanks. 18 fresh, and then of course 13 and 12 for your gray and your black. And I gotta tell you, for a coach that's only 21 feet long, those sizes for your tanks, add that to the fact that you have solar on here, you got a 2800 watt generator on here, that's really good. Van life has been upgraded over the years, and Winnebago just keeps upgrading it. For example, take a look at my window coverings. Padded cloth zippered coverings. No pleated shades to pull down. Full true privacy, but on top of that, the cloth padding also adds some additional insulation to your coach. Very nice feature in my opinion. Now, let's check out the Froley bed system and the twinning. I got a tip and a trick to show you there. So come on back inside. And here's the rest of the inside of your gorgeous Winnebago Travato 59K. The beds are the twin style beds. Now you do have the Froley bed system under here, that you can obviously make this a bigger bed if you need to, but I have to tell you, I move a lot when I sleep. And my loved one did not appreciate all the movement. I didn't appreciate the knees that she gives me in my kidneys in the middle of the night, but I'm still in the wrong. So hey, you can do some twinning. You stay on your side, I stay on my side. If we want to cuddle and watch TV, you got the TV right here. I love these kind of lagoon style tables. And the fact that Winnebago even thought of mixing the tabletop with the beautiful walnut cabinetry that you have all the way through your 59K, very nice design touch. And in your cabinets up top, you'll see you got the strut arms to hold everything up, entertainment and 110 connections there, as well as your solar charge controller right back here. Now, you do have a power management system on this to go along with your 2800 watt inverter. And as far as AC go, you got the Coleman Mach 10 NDQ AC right here, which is low profile, got the directional vents. It's also Bluetooth, which is very nice. And you got the two 850 coils for your Truma Combi heating system in here. So very nice systems to keep you comfortable, whether it's warm or cold outside. All the storage that you need, as well as extremely plush and comfortable seating and sleeping arrangements. And these cushions also double as pillows. And I like that because a lot of times in Class Bs, you get like one long pillow in the back. Winnebago thought of that. This is the same width as the bed almost, so it makes a great pillow. And if you need additional storage, Check this out. You see how I'm just able to move the table all the way around? On the camp side, under your bed system, is strut supported cover for your storage holes. So love that, absolutely love that. Plus I got some power underneath if I need it. And for your kitchen, which is on the off-camp side, just past the entry here, solid surface countertops. You got the tempered glass cover for your 2-burner cooktop, which just extends that prep space. Plus I even have solid surface for my stainless steel sink cover. Got the high-rise faucet, even got a little storage basket right there. All your drawers, full extension, solid wood on the drawer guides. You even can preheat your water thanks to the EcoHot system that they have in here, and to keep your drinks cold. You got the little mini fridge with the little tiny freezer. You got your High Point microwave, which is a convection microwave grill, so you got the little air fryer option in there. More storage there, more storage there, and of course the lockable storage in the floor. One of the things too that I love what Winnebago does with their windows, take a look at these shell style windows. It kind of reminds me of what Airstream puts in their coaches, and you know how awesome Airstreams are. But you got the little lockable arms, and you got the strut supporting with the lockable, so you can have it open as much as you want. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe we get over 90%. Yeah, so you can get almost 100% opening with those. And your thin shade pull downs are also awesome. Love these because you got the day and the night shades all in one. So open it up, get more light, get more breeze. Just another great option that Winnebago puts in their coaches. So, tip of the hat to the Winnebagos. Love you guys. All right, but when you're driving this thing, what are you gonna do? Well, let's show you. I gotta tell you, as the captain and the co-captain for the Winnebago Travato 59K, you're gonna be sitting in style. This upgraded leather captain and co-captain's chair, I got the adjustable armrest. They do swivel, they do tilt, just kind of like the telescoping and tilting steering wheel that we have here. You also got wood grain inlays in your dash, molded, beautiful. I got all the plugs that I need. I even have, and I was trying to, we don't have the key, so or else I'd cut this on. But you have the little remote wireless charging spot for your cell phone right there. Love the holder, love the cup holders, love the mats that they incorporated into the floorboards here. Plus the fact that we're seated on a 3.6 liter engine on this bad boy, 280 horses under the hood. You got the 3,500 pound hitch back there. This is a strong vehicle. Now sure, it's not, you know, the most powerful thing out there, but you're going to get good fuel efficiency while still having some good power in a coach that's easily maneuverable around big box stores if that's your thing. So good visibility. I got backup camera there. I got my 10-inch touchscreen dash that also is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay ready. It's got my navigation built in. I got my apps if I want to put it in. Technology has just come so far that even me as a nerd, I can't keep up with this stuff half the time. So there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Beautiful, comfortable, more importantly, functional and powerful. Now, let's check out the outside of this beauty. Now, on the outside of your beautiful Winnebago Travato 59K, it's going to be highlighted by the Carefree of Colorado scissor arm awning, awesome entry door, and nice wheels, as well as nice running boards. But right up here, this is what I always like to check out. When you're talking about sitting on like the Ram ProMaster chassis or even like the Sprinter chassis, I just want to see what the front looks like. Because to me, that's clean, it looks good. I like my running lights. I love my storage racks that I have up top. Love the molds that we have down here, the molding. And of course, you got the upgraded aluminum rims on this bad boy too. The running sideboards are also nice. This is always one of my favorite parts about Class Bs. And to be honest, you have to be, in my opinion, a special person to enjoy a Class B. I'm a Class C guy. My son, when we would travel, we always needed more additional room, but I totally understand the allure and the desire for the van life. Having things like this, just being able to just get up and go a lot easier than most motorhomes, just makes camping so much more enjoyable. Plus, take a look at my windows. Everything just looks good. I got outside power if I need it. I got a quick connect for solar panels if I want to plug those in and help trickle charge the batteries. If yours has the Series 31 deep cycles and you want to upgrade to the lithium batteries, getting the backpack or the briefcase chargers, if you will, the panels, are a great option for this bad boy. Come around to the back and you'll see, oh yeah, right there's our antenna, that 360 antenna. You also have some pretty sweet options here, from your bike rack to the ladder that's mounted over the top, and of course our interior, which you saw from the inside, but this is what it looks like from the outside. Bada bing, bada boom. Got that same pull down shade if I need it, got power, got my sprayer port, as well as all my external water connections for my black tank, my city fill, the whole nine. Then come around to the off-camp side. That's where you'll see your terminations. And remember, for your tanks, you got 18, 13, and 12, fresh gray and black. Plus you got the 2800 watt generator on this bad boy. Got solar panels on it. Right there's your 30 amp plug if you need it. Fuel fill, oversized mirrors, which I do believe are also heated. Plus you have the side vision on these. Stacked to the gills, and I'm not even scratching the surface hardly. There's so much more to this coach. You have to come check it out. And that's what I tell people. If you're interested in something like this, number one, just put interested down at the bottom. But also come out to your local Camping World and take it for a test drive. Why not? What's it gonna hurt? You're either gonna love it or you're gonna decide, you know what, maybe we do need something bigger or we need something smaller. But for the adventurous couple that's looking to just grab the keys, get out and go, and not have to worry about anything while they're out, I would definitely say put the Winnebago Travato 59K at the top of your list, or at least inspect it. And if you have any interest in this one, or just RVs in general, just leave me one comment word down below. Interested. We'll have somebody reach out to you and help you out. And please, while you're at it, also click like, subscribe, and notify, so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Winnebago Travato 59K. I really like this one. Definitely. I'll see you soon.